This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. You can set a background under any event. Hey, we were checking that out last time. Not just when the game starts. Try the random scene when other events happen. For example, when passing an obstacle. Okay, so I'll show what I was showing last tutorial real quick. What happens when I grab set random scene from this and put under when clicked? Keep in mind, when run only runs run once. The code under this, because how many times do we click run in a game? Once. And then it runs all this code. However, if I were to say grab set scene and put random here, how often does when clicked run? Every single time, which is why I flap a small amount, because every time I click, replay, every time I click, I flap a smaller amount, and then the computer's going to change the scene. Alright, let's do when pass an obstacle. I better get good at this so we can see another scene or two. Yeah. The when flap a small amount feels like cheating, but I'll take it. Oh, keep in mind too, if you want a different scene at the very beginning, you can have this in two different spots. So I could say set a scene at the very beginning, because I don't want this city scene. We'll say I love sci-fi or underwater, sure. And then it will set it to underwater when I click run. But then once the player, when run happens, but once the player passes an obstacle, then it will change. So you can use this in different places as you want. And then maybe you set a scene to something terrible when the game's over. Anyways, let's keep going.